Kahangin guys, kahangin. With the blue sky. Uy, kanindot na sa bukid guys.
Layo kayo na.
So, wala na choice. Awa. Perting hangin na today guys. Aray, sakitas kong ngipin. Patay. Saan hataron din ha guys? Sa Dick's Sports. Shop. Palitag swimsuit. Awa. Ito ka sa 5 and below. 5 and below.
5 and below.
They said 5 and below. This should be 5 and above. Because ang ilahang price guys, $5. They said below. If you go inside, it's $5 and 10 higher. 10 higher. Oh guys, sulod ta sa mo ang tindahan kay magpalit tag saging. You know, saging, banana